So we're here to find out, did this fix the worst part about pressure washing? This is the part of pressure washing nobody talks about. It's not the foam cannon, the PSI, the GPM, it's the mess you gotta set up and put away every single time you use it. Pull the hose out, find where everything's at, untangle it, keep the cables organized. This is the Ava Easy Plus. Today we're putting it through the paces to figure out, does this really fix the worst part about it, which is the setup and tear down, by keeping it organized, condensed, and one complete package that you can just grab and roll away. Up top, it comes with a turbo nozzle, places to put all your nozzles. If you don't know turbo nozzle, it spins while you use it, which is helpful for certain things. I have the 40 degree. Right up top, you'll see how the foam cannon mounts. The foam cannon does come with it. This clips up, pops back down, holds your foam cannon. This foam cannon works really good. We've showed it in previous videos. It's a quality one. The foam adjustment has clicks to it. I always like to leave it on number 9, which is the max setting. You've got your fan adjustment that also clicks, and you have measurements on the side. You don't need to go buy a foam cannon when you have this. That comes with it. On the side, you've got a satisfying on-off button. You could set your phone right there if you wanted to. We'll pull the gun out. The lance that comes with it, which you can get the short gun adapter. This lance, you twist it and it extends so you can keep yourself away from the mud or things that are blasting back or reach certain areas. And it has notches so you can put it at whatever length you want it at. All you do is twist it and push in or out. This is like a quarter turn, then you tighten the collar, solid. Quick connect here on the end, of course, and the tips. These are all rubber, so if you nick your car, you won't scratch it. Then you've got a little pocket here, pop that in its place. Heading down the back side, we have our cable management here, has a holder for the cable so that it doesn't fall off this all the time. It stays firm even when you roll it around. And then we have a quick connect that it comes with for the hose, and there is a quick connect adapter for the hose side. This little adapter comes in the kit. Let me show you what these wheels sound like. If you're at this part of the video and you're thinking, what in the world? Yes, some people care about what the wheels sound like. Some people are OCD. I can't say I don't appreciate that little detail. See this handle and this button? If I did want to go portable, let's take these off. Push that up, pull up. After I press the button, rock it forward, slide it back up. Here's the thing. This has to go turbo nozzle in there, and we're off. This whole unit, for being as large and organized as it is, lightweight, and this is my left arm. You could throw it in the back of your truck, take it to your friend's house, help them clean up. Press the button at the base of the neck, slide it down, slide it back up, then down, turbo nozzle out, slide it in its place. Foam cannon holder out, bang. This is built like one complete setup instead of having everything separate. Jacob and his team started from the end goal, worked backwards, and then everything has a place all in one unit. But none of this really matters unless the setup and tear down is actually easier. I have my old setup here at the shop next to the Easy Plus. Let's pull the hoses out and compare what that process is like. A noise is a big part of it. What's the tone? How loud is it? My bigger Ryobi setup is on its way out, so it's getting quiet. It doesn't have much pressure left, but my newer Ryobi setup, the car detailing focused one, is a standard volume, and you can compare the decibels. I'll show you all three. But pay attention to the tone. The tone is a little bit more dull and slides into the background a little bit more. It's less high pitched on the Easy Plus. Do all these little details still add up to making the pressure washer experience easier as far as setup and teardown? Let's do a little vehicle wash test. I'm looking for foam cannon performance. Is the hose long enough to wrap around? Is it easy to pull the hose out, put it away? Whether the setup feels clean and simple or any sort of friction. Then what's it like on like a dirt bike? When I've got mud splashing back at me, can I get it away from myself? What about a patio? By the pool, around the grill, or even a front driveway that's got some bird poop and a lot of buildup from tires, tar from the road. How can it clean that? This is not the cheapest option. It's not the most portable option. It's not an industrial option. But if you want something compared to these that has everything all condensed, organized in one, then this is for you. I'll have a link in the description. $355, $329 plus a little over $100 in accessories to make all the quick connects, longer hose, shorty gun adapter. We're over $450 plus tax. This is $179 plus tax. This is my personal favorite unit. I use it all the time here at the shop. I have the Go Plus, which is a smaller version from Ava, like this one at my house. This small Ryobi is 1.8 GPM, 1200 PSI. This is my old one that's falling apart. We got 1.2 GPM, 2300 PSI, so less water, more pressure, more water, less pressure. And then this one is 1.85 GPM and 2050 PSI. Just as much water as that one, even more pressure than it, but right in the middle. To get anything you would need done around the house done, and plenty of pressure. The Ava Go Plus, that's like the small one over here, it's gonna have more water, less pressure. If you wanna upgrade your pressure washer setup and try this, the QR code on screen and the link in the description is an absolutely free way to support my small team, family, and myself. Ava of Norway is a really cool family who mastered manufacturing pressure washers first overseas, then they built a consumer brand after building everybody else's unit to be able to make a product as good as this and be consumer ready. I've gotten to know the family personally, and they are rad people, and they offered me the opportunity to earn alongside them. So from my team and small family to yours, thank you so much for the support. The links in the QR code are the absolute best way to support what we do here to modify cars, document the lifestyle, show you the tools and things, and to be able to work with a new brand that has my favorite pressure washer on the market is really humbling, and thank you so much for your support. I'm excited for you to get it at your house. All my friends that have ordered these, all the people that I know, they've ordered them already and they love them and they are stoked and always be texting me about it. So enjoy, have fun. If you missed the last video where we talk about the portable version, I'm gonna leave it right here, and I'm gonna leave our most recent modification video for cars right here.